Faraday type. Next, third type of isomerism is linkage isomerism. Linkage isomerism. This type of linkage isomerism appear in the ligands in the complexes which have ambidentate ligands. This isomerism appear in the complexes which have ambidentate ligands. What are the ambidentate ligands? Example. So this isomerism appear in the complexes which have ambidentate ligands. The ambidentate ligands mean the ligands which have same molecular formula, but when they connected with metal donate through different atom. Example, ambidentate ligands. Example, you see nitro and ONO. In this case nitro ligand, in this case nitrogen is donated to the electron pair to the central metal. That means nitrogen is connected with metal, but in this case oxygen is connected with metal. Same formula, both have same formula, but when they combine with metal donate through the different atom. Same. Other example, cyanide and isocyanide. In this case carbon is linked with the metal, in this case nitrogen is linked with the metal. Third, CNO, cyanate, carbon linked with the metal, and NCO, nitrogen linked with the metal. So these are also common examples. So I will take some examples for the linkage isomerism. Here copper NH3 5, here NO2, chloride. So in this complex the nitrogen is linked with the copper. Here copper is linked with NO2. In this complex nitrogen is donate electron pair to the copper, but the same its isomer if you see, and its isomer copper NH3 5 ONO Cl. So in this case oxygen is donated to the lone pair to the copper. So copper is linked with ONO. Copper is linked with ONO. That means here ammonias also donate electron pair. Along with 5 ammonias, here nitro can donate. Nitro means here nitrogen is the donor atom. Nitrogen is donates electron pair to the copper, and the bond is copper nitrogen bond in this case. Whereas in this case oxygen ONO, nitrato O. So here oxygen is donate electron pair to the copper. So here OCO, copper oxygen bond is present. Here copper nitrogen bond is present. So this isomerism arises due to ambidentate ligands. In those ligands the same molecular formula, but the ligand, ambidentate ligand in one complex donate through one atom, and in another complex the same ambidentate ligand donate electron pair through the other atom. Next,
9 minutes. 9 minutes.
Close it.
So this is about the linkage isomerism. Next, fourth type of isomerism is coordination isomerism. Coordination isomerism. This coordination isomerism appear in the compounds which are having both cation and anion are complexes. Both cation and also anion both are present in square bracket complexes. There is no counter ions. This isomerism appear in compounds have both cation and anion are complexes. There is no counter ions. Counter ions mean free ions. Here, this isomerism arises both cation and also anion are as complex compounds. Cation as well as anion as complex. So, by mutual exchange of ligands partially or completely from cationic complex to anionic complex, from cationic complex to anionic complex, these isomers produce. Isomers mean coordination isomers produce. Example, cobalt hexamine complex and chromium hexacyano complex. This total is only one compound. The left side is cationic complex, right side is anionic complex. So cation complex, anion also complex. In such type of ligands only coordination isomerism appear. In such type of isomers, complex compounds, the mutual exchange of ligands completely may be partially. That means here 6 cyanides combined with cobalt. Here 6 ammonias combined with chromium in the next compound. So, so
ఒకసారి తీసేసి ఇంత డౌట్ కొనేట్టున్నాడు అడుగు ఒకసారి ఇప్పుడు కదా తర్వాత ఇది హ్యాండ్ రైజ్ చేస్తున్నాయి, ఇది డౌట్లు ఉన్నాయి, అడుగుదాం లాస్ట్కి అడుగుదాం.
So here cobalt is linked with ammonias, but in this case chromium linked with cyanides. So in this complex cobalt is linked with ammonias, but in this complex chromium is linked with cyanides. But in its isomer the chromium is linked with ammonias and the cobalt is linked with cyanides. So by mutual exchange of ligands, they may be completely or partially exchanges. Here 6 cyanides goes to here and 6 ammonias goes to here. Mean ligands exchanges between cationic complex to anionic complex. This is left side is cation, right side is anion. Left side is cation, right side is anion. So ligands goes to cationic complex to anionic complex. The cyanides goes to here, ammonias goes to here. This is the cationic complex, this is the anionic complex. So for the same type I will give one more example. Copper tetraamine complex, and this is act as cation, this is cation, and next to anion platinum Cl4, this is anion, complex cation, complex anion, complex cation, complex anion. So in this case also, if partially exchange ligand, if one of the chlorine entered here, now we will get copper NH3 3Cl and platinum, one ammonia is moves to anionic complex and Cl3. This is a partial exchange. And if completely ligands exchange between cationic sphere to anionic sphere, now copper here will get to platinum, ammonia 4 and also platinum Cl4. That means if you see first compound, here copper is connected with 4 ammonias, here platinum connected with 4 chlorides. But in this case, platinum combined with ammonia and platinum combined with chlorine. So from here to here different is first compound to third compound. The difference is complete transfer of ligands. Complete transfer of ligands. Okay na, complete transfer of ligands. So here oxidation state platinum plus 2, here copper plus 2, here also plus 2, here plus 2, here plus 2. So next here also, here cobalt plus 3, chromium plus 3, here also chromium plus 3, cobalt plus 3. So the negative 6 negative charges, so 6 negative charges equal to 6 positive charges. Those 6 positive charges should share equally to the both metals, here plus 3, here plus 3. Same in that complex also,